Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your car key fob is acting up, maybe it's not unlocking the doors or the push button start isn't working right, don't worry. In today's video, we're going over the top symptoms of a low-key fob battery, so you'll know exactly when it's time for a quick replacement. 1. Reduced range. Normally, you can unlock your car from across the driveway, but now, you're practically leaning on the door. That's a classic sign the battery is on its way out. 2. Delayed response. You press the button, nothing. You press again, and then the doors unlock. That lag means the fob is struggling to send a strong signal. 3. Intermittent functioning. Some days it works, other days it doesn't. That inconsistency is another red flag. 4. Dashboard warning. Some modern cars will even warn you on the dash, saying something like key fob battery low. Don't ignore that. It's a helpful heads up. 5. Push button start issues. If you have push to start and your car isn't detecting the key, or it only works when the fob is right next to the start button, that's another big clue. 6. No LED light. Finally, check the fob itself. If there's a small LED light that used to flash when you pressed a button, but now it's dim or dead, that's a sure sign the battery's weak. So if you're experiencing any of these symptoms, it's probably time to swap out that coin battery. It's cheap, quick, and can save you a lot of headaches. Like this video if it helped, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick car tips, and thanks for watching.